Show us a little. Oh, stop crying. Stop crying.
All of our money have been finished. Even, it is a piece of land we have sold.
I do understand my parents as they don't have enough money.
When you have Taubal, it can make you sell everything you have. I have even sold all my cloths to see if my son can get better.
When it comes to eat, sometimes we do have something to eat, and if we don't, I feel painful inside my stomach. And so sorry, child. Does it feel heavy inside your stomach? Cover it, cover. I do believe that God will heal me and He will use people. I do pray and I do ask my God to heal me. We have received the news that there is a young boy who is very sick. As TV, we are traveling to see this boy, as yet we do not know what kind of sickness he has. But what we know so far is that his parents have no money to take him to the hospital, even to bring him in Bujumbura to get examined. And we have thought that TV has many followers with kind-hearted, why not to showcase this young fine boy so that they can do something about him. As TV followers, we do believe that after watching this video your reaction will not be the same. We ask you to pray and follow us a while we traveler together to see this boy. We have reached in the area the boy is currently living. We would like you to be with us in this interview we are going to be conducting so that everything will be fine. Also, we would like to show those who are currently live in Gitega and those who have left Gitega to Bujumbura even overseas to showcase how wonderful it is to walk in this area of Gitega.
Nagira bavyita urangemurira, ni sawa? Ni sawa mwana? Umeze neza? Asante sana.
Mu magaramani tuba mu Kiswahili.
Rero niwe baca bahita gute?
Mu Kiswahili.
Kandi wavuze ko mutaba mu magarama no mu Kiswahili. Ahubwo muyitwa muri kakartie kanyu.
There is nothing else that have made us to travel all way here more than giving a visit this child. We are going to show you or asking him what kind of problem he has and what can be done in terms of help from you guys following us today. Are you fine, child? No, I'm not. You are not okay because you are sick, yes? What is your name? What is your name? Have you got a chance to go to school? No. Why not you don't go to school? Because I'm sick. Your sickness doesn't allow you to go school. How old are you? 11. And yet you haven't got a chance to go school. No. Do you know or do you remember how many years ago since this sickness started? I think 10 years. Does that mean since you were a baby you have feeling this way? How does it feel like inside your stomach and what does it destroy or doesn't allow you to do? I feel painful inside my stomach and my hands hurts a lot. And when I sit I feel tired here. Does that mean you spend the most time sleeping? Sometimes I do stand up but not for long. How many times do you eat at home a day? 2 times. Is there any times you are unable to get the food and what happens? When home we don't have anything to eat then I feel so much painful in stomach. Do you wish to go to school? Yes, I do wish to go to school. Then, what is missing for you to not go to school? Because all the money my family had finished trying to treat my sickness. Stop crying. Stop crying. At first, how much money did it use to take you to treat your young boy?
Much more than our capacity. We used to take the first money for examinations and then other money for the medications. After 1 month later, we would return him for the exact examinations and we would get same medications. During this process, then we would spend all the money we had as a family. In couple months after going to hospital, they told us that he needs surgery and he needed emergency treatment that was only available in Bujumbura. After hearing this, I was heartbroken, as for my family, all the money we had was already finished, and I didn't see how my boy will get to Bujumbura to get that surgery. Our family are in hardship with money, as our everyday activities is farming only what our children's will eat. We do not have a big land where we can farm and be able to sell. All we have is to feed our young ones.
At this moment, how much money do you think you have already used for his treatments?
We have used 2 million frac.
As his mother, have you hold 2 millions in your hands at once?
No, it was only that moment, as we also sold the place we were living at and hoping that my son will soon get better. Now we are currently living as a homeless people, but one of our neighbor gave us a place to stay for a while.
So you have sold the place and the land you were living in, hoping that your son will become better, and you didn't have another land you can build another house to stay in.
Yes, we sold all we had. I hope you do understand, as mother I can do anything to see my child feeling better. When you have Taubal, it can make you sell everything you have. At this moment, as you see me, it is all I have. I do call upon other mothers who understand the painful of a child to help me, so that I can see my son smiling, not crying at all the times because the pain has gotten.
Do you believe that God can help you and everything will be fine?
For my son to be alive now, it is because of God's will. I do believe that God is able and he will help my child, as God uses his own people. I hope that there are God people out there and with kind heart to be able to see the pain my son is going through, and they will definitely help.
We have came here today so that we can see you and show other people the suffering you are going through, so that some of those people will feel sorry and will help you. Also, we heard that yesterday you went to the hospital. Is it true? And what kind of the sickness they found he had?
It is true, someone helped us with money, so we took him to get the examinations, and after the examinations the nurse told me that he needs medication. But where will I get the money to buy the medication that she told me to buy?
Lastly, what can you say to those who are watching us right now?
Please, I beg you to understand or go in my shoe to see or to feel how I'm suffering right now. I'm sure that you are a good person. I have tried all I can to see my son getting better now. I have came here to see if it is true that miracle do happen when people goes on online TV. I have believed that since this video will be watched by many, especially those with money. Please, all I ask you, imagine if this boy was yours. What can you do? That's why I'm here today, so that you can help me, so that my son can once again leave without pain.
Ukunda gufungura iki hano?
Ubugari cyangwa umuceri.
Nabiroroha ko abiroha? Kubera iki mutabiro?
Kubera ata mahera. Vuga n'amahera baba bafise binyamarira ku ndwara yanje.
Rero Inesi, wewe rero bimeze uko? Wowe urazi amahera? Umuco murabizi? Aza kumubwira mama akugurira utuntu ukunda gufungura, sibyo none? Mama araza kugufasha kugura utuntu ukunda gufungura, uramara n'iminsi mike.